mathematicians, it's Justin again. Mia and I are stopping at this restaurant for some lunch. We noticed on the drive here that numbers are used all over. Mia saw a speed limit sign that said 35 miles per hour, and I saw a sign outside the movie theater that said movie tickets were 1/3 of their regular price. Do you notice anything about the numbers that Mia and I observed? The speed limit is a whole number, but the number on the movie theater sign is a fraction. A fraction is a number that represents equal parts of a whole. I wonder what other examples of fractions we'll find as we enjoy our lunch today. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to identify the different parts of a fraction. You'll also be able to represent and identify fractions in different ways. Have your guided notes ready, and let's grab some lunch. We can order by the slice at this pizza shop. Based on the pictures on the sign, it looks like there are a few different options to choose from. If we want pepperoni and sausage, there are 3 slices left. But it looks like the pizza had 4 slices to start with. Since a fraction represents part of a whole, and we have part of a whole pizza here, how can we show the amount of pizza that's left as a fraction? The bottom number of a fraction, the denominator, tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. So what is the denominator for this pizza? Since there were 4 slices to start with, 4 will be our denominator. But what does the top number, or numerator, of a fraction tell us? It tells us how many parts we have, or how many we're working with, out of the whole amount. There are 3 of the 4 slices left, which means we can use the fraction 3/4, or 3/4, to represent the pizza that's left as a fraction. Naming numbers as fractions is a shorter way to communicate the amount. What fraction represents how much of the pizza is missing? There's 1 slice missing out of 4, or 1/4 of the pizza missing. There's also a pizza with peppers and pepperoni. We can create a fraction to represent what's left of this pizza too. How many pieces are left? Just 1 big piece. And how many pieces did the pizza start with? It started as 1 whole pizza cut into 2 pieces. What do we call it when a whole is split into 2 equal pieces? It's split in half. Pause the video here to record a fraction that represents how much of the pizza is left. We know that there's 1 slice left and there were 2 slices to start with. 1 of the 2 pieces is left, or 1/2. Ooh, Mia, they have cheese pizza too. And it's split into 6 pieces, so we should be able to use a fraction to describe the amount that's left. Wait, we can't? Mathematicians, according to Mia, we can't use sixths to describe the pieces of pizza here. But why is that? Pause the video here to record your thinking. Notice how some of the cheese pizza slices are larger than others? When we use fractions, it's important that all parts are equal. 1/6 should be the same size for each part of the whole. Even though this pizza was cut into 6 pieces, they aren't all the same size, which is why we can't use sixths to describe them. All right, Mia, time to decide how much pizza and breadsticks we want to order. I'm thinking we'll start with 2 out of the 4 slices of the pepperoni and sausage pizza. Oh, check it out. We have to show our order using fractions. So how do we break a circle into 4 equal parts? A line down the middle and a line across the middle makes 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Then we can color in 2 of them to show that we want 2 out of the 4 slices. So what fraction does the portion of pizza we're ordering represent? Pause here to record your thinking. As a fraction, the amount of pizza we want to order is 2/4. How can that be shown in words? Just as it sounds, we write 2/4. Notice how the word form includes a hyphen in between the numerator and denominator. We'll also order 6 yummy breadsticks, but they're baked with 8 in each pan. Pause the video here to record 6 out of 8 as a fraction and as a visual model. All right, let's take a look at what we recorded. So 6 out of 8 breadsticks means our fraction is 6/8, with a 6 as the numerator and an 8 as the denominator. And your model might look like this. Double check my model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I accidentally drew too few breadsticks in my model. I actually need one more to show 6/8 correctly. Thanks, Mia. Fractions tell us exactly how many parts we need, and a quick check helps make sure our model matches the fraction. So, what have we learned today besides the fact that pizza and math actually go really well together? Well, now you know that a fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole. A fraction has a numerator and a denominator. You also know fractions can be shown using digits, visual models, and words. Be sure to complete the practice questions and extension activities that go with this lesson to practice working with fractions. And remember, mathematicians, in math, as in life, every effort adds to your success. I'll see you next time. Hey.